Good time, boys. Getting dying day made pulled turtle.
We are making pork roast
Roast.
and lots of crackle, pork crackle. So we're going to show you our new method.
Never.
What else are we doing?
I'm doing turtles. It's BC's.
Veggie bake.
BC bake.
Chocos, cauliflower, broccoli, carrots,
Carrots.
sweet potato.
Turtle.
All right, we'll show you our secret in a second.
I like it.
So what's our secret?
Second.
Put it in the fridge
Overnight.
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 It's dry.
Side.
And what are you going to do now?
Next water. And put
Put some boiling water on it.
the
All over the skin.
rubber. Then
Then we're going to dry it out.
sorry.
Okay, so now we've dried it out. What are you going to put on it?
Hello.
Oil, so put some oil on it.
On it.
Then you're going to rub that in.
Yep, rub up in
And you're going to add what else?
and salt.
Salt. So put the salt on it. Then it's going in the oven at 250
50
for 25 minutes.
to 25 minutes.
All right, let's do it.
Do it. Well, food is ready.
Your crackle's ready. Now put your veggies in.
And the pieces in
Salt, pepper,
salt, pepper,
rosemary.
roast meat.
Put them in around the edges.
Okay.
Good job.
My pieces
Veggies are ready.
ready.
What are you going to do with that?
It's wide sauce.
You're going to make a white sauce.
Yes, sir.
We've got our gravy going.
Heavy.
Yum. Let's see
Yum.
what happens for dinner.
Happens dinner.
We're just adding our flour to our butter. And then we're going to cook that down, add milk and cheese. And that's going to go on our... What's it going on now? Veggies.
Feces. It's on our pieces.
So you got your white sauce, you're pouring it all over your veggies. Nice. Cheesy white sauce. Lactose free.
I say
Now, got your cheese.
cheese
Sprinkle that on top.
on my top.
Nice, buddy. Yum, yum, yum. Bit of salt and pepper and we're done.
Yep, you're done. Roast pork ready.
Touch the crackle, is it good? Ooh, sounds good.
Really hot.
Veggie bait.
Busy babe.
Yum, yum.
Nom. Dinner is ready.
How good's the crackle? Ooh, sounds good.
Good.
And all our veggies. All right.
Look, what is my chef? Wow.